morning, world. It's Monday, time to learn something new.
Let's do something fun and smart.
Let's make each day a wonder day.
Monday, Tuesday, on our way. Learn and laugh and jump and play.
Tuesday, A, E, and sky. Look, the letter A is for apple, B is for ball. A, B, C, D, E, learning letters is fun with me. Wednesday, circle, triangle, square. Learning shapes is such a breeze, especially when you do it with your besties. Thursday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump high to come alive. Count the pads from low to high, let's all jump and touch the sky.
Friday is for friends, we shared learning all week and snacks too.
Monday to Friday, we played and learned. Now it's time for the love we've earned. Let's remember our week of wonders. Start our adventure.
Tuesday, learn letters. Wednesday, shapes. Thursday, count it hops.
Kiddo, Quick Learn is the place to be, to learn with fun and friends like me.